Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today I'm in Galveston. It's Memorial Day weekend. I'm staying at a place that I've never stayed before, and it's called the Commodore. So let's go check it out. All right, guys, coming in through the front door here. The first thing is the bathroom. It's very clean and it's very cold in here, which is great for me. I don't know how I'm gonna fit in there. Very first thing I notice is that this whole wall is brick. Okay, both sides. That wall is brick too, which is really cool. I knew that this hotel was old. I think it was built in the 50s or 60s, but it's got brick walls, and I just think that's cool. I've never seen one of those before. It's got a TV. Looks like direct TV for cable, and a mini fridge. It's got a king bed. It's actually really nice. Let's go check out the view in the balcony. Alright, the balcony's got 2 chairs. And it's overlooking the pool, which has a waterfall I can see. It's pretty cool. And it's overlooking the beach, which is my favorite part. I'll probably spend the majority of my time right out here. Just feet kicked up. I almost missed this cool couch. Alright, here's a closer look. My room is right over there. Alright, that's my room there. And the view from the street. And the pool, which is pretty cool looking. Keeping in mind how old this place is, it's really neat. The seawall strip is just as interesting at night in its own right. Check this out. Alright, it's now Monday. Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day, everyone. My son Austin, as I told you, is in the United States Air Force, so please, in the comments, if you would, say congratulations and thank you to him. If you like what you saw here today, guys, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna bring you some more stuff from Galveston, a lot more stuff in the future. And as always, I really appreciate you guys hanging out. I will see you next time.